Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to split pages in PDF. So open your PDF first. In Adobe Acrobat, click on Tools option, which is top left corner. Click on Tools and choose Organize Pages. And if you want to split one single page, then you have to click on that page, and you'll find here Extract. Like I'm choosing this page, just click on this page and click on extract and click on extract again. The page has been splitted. Now if you want to split the multiple page like this, you have to press Ctrl plus the select mouse. You have to click on this Ctrl and select like this. Ctrl plus your mouse, first click of the mouse, right, left click of the mouse. Okay, Control plus left click, then it will be chosen. Then you have to click on extract, then click on extract again, and then your pages will be splitted like this. Okay, so guys, if you want to save this, click on file, which is top left corner, click on save as, choose the destination where you want to save, and then click on save. You are all set. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.